I'm afraid those are the negatives to which Colonel Mustard earlier referred.
Oh my
Are
God!
you planning to blackmail him, Wadsworth?
Certainly not. I obtained them for the Colonel. And I was going to give them back as soon as Mr. Body was unmasked.
Very pretty. Would you like to see these events? They might shock you.
No, merci. I am a lady.
Oh, how do you know what kind of pictures they are if you're such a lady?
What sort of pictures are they? They are my pictures and I'd like them back, please.
No, I'm afraid there's something in them that concerns me too.
Professor Plum snatches the pictures and holds them up to the light. Mrs. White looks over his shoulders.
Let me see. It's a...
Oh my! Nobody can get into that position.
Sure they can. Let me show you.
Plum starts to demonstrate with Mrs. White on the couch. Jesus Christ!
Oh, come with me.
Just some light rape humor.
Get off me!
Mrs. Peacock opens the door to the bathroom and she screams!
He's attacking her!
He is certainly dead now. His head is all bloody. The party runs out to help her.
Mr. Body!
Oh god.
He's attacking her.
Pull the corpse off. Okay, you get it.
Well, he's dead.
Mr. Body! Dead! Again!
Oh my god.
Oh, she's going to faint!
Somebody catch her!
I'll catch you, fall into my arms!